All right, Aaron Parker, Parker Safes and Vaults, Shelbyville, Tennessee. Today we're installing a Liberty Lincoln 50. This safe weighs about 1,200 pounds, and although we have a stair climbing dolly, sometimes our trailer makes it easier. This is a dock height trailer. It's a drop deck, so it goes flat to the ground, but also about dock height. And so once we get it up to elevation, we can just build like a bridge and crib everything up and screw it all together underneath. And then we can just use our pallet jack to wheel it across to the elevation of the porch, which is a lot easier than how I used to do it when we were first starting out. So that trailer is kind of cool. Once we get it in front of the door, we just jockey it sideways on the pallet jack, raise it up again to the step that goes in the house. And then we use slick sticks here, and we can slide that safe on these rails. So it's kind of like a train on a railroad track. And these are rubber bottom with a wood base and then a Teflon top. And if everything's kind of lubed up nice, it just slides right across there, and we can go wherever we want through the house. And then we just jockey it into place. We put it down on felt pads so it never really touches the floor. And then we explain the warranty and the lock and all that to the customer, kind of tidy up things, and then off we go. But if you're in the market for a quality safe or vault door, we're out of Tennessee, but we serve a broad area, and we can probably help you out. We're online at parkersafes.com and 931-842-6445.